Hey guys, welcome back to Triple C Ghost Hunting channel. Just to let you know, there's a lot of weird things going on in my apartment tonight. Like you all know, I posted a video this afternoon that I showed you guys. I locked the door and everything was fine. And then I heard noise and I went up, everything was down. Like somebody, like something knocked them over. But since then, I've been hearing creepy noise. Dogs on the door, just cracking floors, people walking upstairs, and the baby's sleeping. There's nobody here except me, Jacob, my wife Amanda's upstairs working on the baby.
What the fuck?
Oh, what's that?
What the fuck?
Did you put that there?
What? No. I was in the living room.
What the? Random screwdriver on the floor. That was there. Told you guys, something weird is going on here. It's not even funny.
This is a really good way for me to actually start filming while also incorporating a little bit of makeup into it. In my future videos, I filmed like reaction videos while doing makeup because it's kind of like a weird combination of like two very different genres here on YouTube, bringing it together. I just happen to have to get ready right now, and I don't have time to film this video. And I really want to. So
I'm gonna go check upstairs.
As soon as
Like
I
you
went
see,
in,
my wife is right
as soon
there.
as I went in, there was like a cold breeze, but then it felt warm, and then gone.
In the honey room?
And as you can tell, that was our son's room.
Yeah, just to show you guys, this was Ashton's room. It's written on the door.
But now he's in his big brother's room.
Something weird is going on.
What the hell is going on with the dog?
And my dogs
He's
are acting
growling at the
weird.
front door. Look.
He's acting weird.
It's like somebody was gonna get him. It's like this.
He's acting really weird, growling, looking at, staring at in the corner, staring at the door. What's wrong, buddy? What's wrong? You see something? You see something? Okay. Okay. Yeah, my dog never acted like that before. It's like growling, I mean, there's no noise, nothing, there's nobody here, and nobody's outside.
I don't know. That was a really weird feeling in there.
And my wife just had a weird feeling as you. She
It was
explained
like
to you
a
guys.
cold breeze, but then it got right warm, and
Yeah,
then it's gone.
she had a cold. She felt cold, and then it got right warm.
I know the fan's going, but it wasn't from the fan. It wasn't even above my head. It was around like my body.
Okay, I have
Yeah.
to personally screen record. I'm watching.
I'm gonna have to do a spirit box later. You know, I want to know what's going on in my room, in my apartment, complete apartment, I guess. Because it's all kind of cracking noise, knocking noise, and we go to the door and there's nobody there. And the dog is growling, staring in the corners. We don't know what's going on. I'll have to investigate some more. I need the help of you guys to like and subscribe and comment if you see anything. Comment down below, please. So I'm going to end this video for now. I'll do another video following this one, like part 2 or 3 or 4, whatever part it is. I want to show you guys my house is really haunted. It's not even funny. I'm even scared for my little baby. Like,
We literally had to move him out of that.
yeah, we really literally had to move him rooms because he didn't make any sense anymore. He won't sleep at all. Now he's sleeping a little bit better, but not 100%, but a little bit better since we changed room. Let's go. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. We love you guys. Be safe. Peace.